Now let's multiply using short multiplication. To start with, we have 16 times 5. So we can set this out with our 2-digit number on top and our single-digit number, so our smaller number, underneath. Now we start by multiplying the digit in the ones. So 6 times 5 is 30, so 3, 0, and then we can multiply the number in our tens, or the digit in our tens. So 1 times 5 is 5, but then we need to add what's on top. So 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So 16 times 5 is 80. Now 23 times 4, so we can set this out in the same way. 3 times 4 is 12, so 1, 2. Then 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 on top is 9. So our answer is 92. Now we have 2 times 46. But we still set the question out in the same way. We still have our larger number, our 2-digit number, on top, because remember, with multiplication, order doesn't matter. Now 6 times 2 is 12, so 1, 2. And 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 2 times 46 is 92.